Hi my gifted chefs! Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to prepare a New York strip steak. All that's needed for this recipe is a nice New York strip fillet, olive oil, a knob of butter, and good old salt and pepper. I must say this every other video, but when it comes to meat I'm a naturalist. I want to taste the flavors of the meat more than a sauce. I almost never prepare a sauce. Sometimes I'll deglaze the pan just to help with the cleaning process, but I usually do nothing with that delicious fond. Sacrilege maybe, but I just really love the taste of a good steak. With that said, let's start cooking. Make sure the steak is at room temperature before cooking, season both sides generously with salt and pepper, and then heat up a frying pan. Add the butter into the pan, and then fortify it with a drizzle of olive oil. Once the butter is melted a little bit, mix it around the pan and try to coat as much of the pan or the skillet as you can so that we can get a nice even cook. Then, once the butter has dissolved and you've coated the pan thoroughly, add in the steak and lay it in away from you so that the butter and oil doesn't splatter, burning you. When cooking more than one steak in the same skillet, you have to be aware that it might take a little bit longer to cook than if you were cooking just a single steak in the skillet, because the meat will bring down the temperature of the pan and it'll reduce the temperature of the butter and oil. So you might need to either cook it for a longer period of time or increase the heat above what you would normally cook at. I normally cook meat at medium high. You might need to press that up a bit towards high, or just add a little bit more time. I do usually 6 minutes per side. With 2 steaks in the skillet, I might need to do 8 minutes per side. But always best to use a meat thermometer. Regardless of the length of time, cook the steak on both sides until you have a nice brown crust. Here, I'm about halfway done cooking. I flipped it. Once this bottom side gets browned, I might flip them back over to finish redeveloping the crust. Once the meat has reached 140, 145 degrees, take it out and let it rest for a good couple minutes. It'll rise another 5 degrees while it's resting and the juices are redistributed. Plate that steak, tuck in, and enjoy. This is one of life's greatest pleasures, in my opinion. A delicious, medium rare steak. Mon ami. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!